Hey everyone, I wanted to just do the next lawn update here. I apologize, it's late in the evening, the sun is going down, so the lighting isn't as great. But time to put on some new fertilizer here for the grass. We've come through summer, the kelp and everything really helped carry it through. And now it's time to put down some granular fertilizer. So what we're going to be doing today is, let's come over here. We're going to be putting down two kinds of fertilizer. You may recognize this from the last one. This is from the Andersons. This is their PGF Complete with the Humic DG. This stuff is absolutely amazing and I love it. It has a lot of slow release nitrogen. Really carries the grass through. But in addition to this, I want to kind of give it a kick in the shorts to get it going again. So I'm actually going to combine both of these. About a 50-50 mix. So that's why I've got my bucket here, my shovel. I'm going to pour half the Scott's in there and then half the Anderson's product, mix it up. In no way, shape, or form do these companies endorse that or recommend that, but it's something I have found that works really well because this has a lot of fast release nitrogen, so it really gets the grass going good now that it's cooling off, and then this kind of just sees it through the rest of the time. So anyway, let's mix that up and we'll get to spreading. Alright, here's the special mixture. You can kind of see it has extra light stuff in it because that is the Scott's fertilizer. Anyway, we put it, because the granules in the Anderson's product is larger, we use the spreader setting for that, so that way this Anderson's product can get out. All right, we're all finished. We'll come back here in a couple weeks and you can see how the secret mixture works in revitalizing the lawn after the long hot summer. If you like these kinds of videos, be sure to like and subscribe, and we'll catch you next time.